cooks, welcome back to Amy Learns to Cook. Today we're going to try out the Pix Pan. This is a new pan that just came on the market from USELUCK. It is a 3.8 quart square pan that can do it all. It can saute, it can braise, it can fry. It's a frying pan. Ceramic nonstick. I can't wait to put this to the test. We're going to make a one-pan dinner. We're making like American goulash, which is also like chili mac, which is also, I think, called chop suey, American chop suey, whatever. One pan to the table, perfect for a weeknight meal. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So this is a fun ceramic non-stick pan. It's almost 11 inch, 10 and something inches, and it's 3.8 quart, and it's made out of ceramic nonstick. And you can do all kinds of stuff with it. You can use it as a regular frying pan. You can use it as a saute pan. You can do all these one pan dinners. I know one pan dinners are great because you can get it on the table fast and you don't make a lot of dishes, right? It comes in a lot of different colors. We have two different colors here today. It comes in this minty green color, a cream color, a black, a purple color, and a clay color as well. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, we'll see what colors we have here today. I just want to take this opportunity to thank USELUCK for sending these. When I saw this pan, I was like, it's so cute. I want to try it out, right? There'll be links down in the description. This is a great way for you to make a dinner, and it's going straight to the table, right? When you're tired, you're home from work and you're tired and you want to get something done quick, American goulash, chili mac. It's a fresh way to make that thing that comes in a box, but you're making it from your own ingredients, right? Okay, so let's get this baby out here. Ooh, nice dome lid. I like that. There's a lid. Cute, cute. In here we have, that's just packaging. Comes with a little scrubby sponge to clean it with and a little booklet with all the information about the pan, the care and maintenance. And here's our Pix Pan. Cute! So here's a little spatula that goes with it. Nice. So it's nice and deep pan. Look at that. A lot of room for you to do your entire dish in this baby. Look at this. Isn't this cute? So it has this base. So it's electric, infrared, gas, ceramic, induction, and gas. So pretty much all kinds of burners, right? And here's our lid. Sweet. Look at that. That's a sweet looking little pan, right? And here's our,
you got a little pour spout on each side.
Oh, nice. Pour spouts.
Yeah.
Sweet. So if you need to get any grease off of there, really, really nice. So what color is this? Mint haze. So this must be the green one. So I know I'm going to love this color. Ooh, look at that. I love it. This is my color. Sort of like a minty green color. Nice. Really well packaged. And here's our green color. Which one do you want to cook in today? The green or the tan? Wow, I love the green, right? We're going to cook in the green. Let me go wash this up, get our ingredients, and let's make us a one-pan dinner. Okay, we got everything washed up. Thank you, Boo. Boo-boo.
Dishwasher Evo at your service.
So we got our Pix Pan here. This thing is so cute. I love it. So we're going to go ahead and put a little olive oil in here. First thing we got to do is saute the meat. So you can use any ground meat you would like. I'm using ground turkey.
Gobble, gobble.
Okay, so we can, woo! That heated up like nothing. You're going to go ahead and scramble this off. Wow. You turn it down, keep it down on low. You don't need to have it super high. Ooh, I like this. It's nice and non-stick. Look at that. And I like the little thing here. It's like a chopper. Very nice. I like it. What do you think, Boo?
As long as it cooks, right?
Let me go ahead and brown this meat up. I'm going to use this little strainer thing and get the meat out. This was great. Worked really good. And just to see how easy this is to clean up, look at that. Got that liquid in there. Boom, right? Just like that. Let me fire this baby back up. Put some fresh olive oil in here. We are going to cook up a little onion first. A lot of onion in here.
Go ahead. No guts, no glory.
Yeah, it's a lot of onion. This recipe is on my website if you want to try it out. It's delicious. So we're going to saute these onions. Okay, we're looking good. So I'm going to put in some bell peppers. These came right out of
Farmer Ebu, you know my name.
garden. No, I was going to say garden.
Oh, out of my garden, yeah.
Do I know your name? Do I know you?
Yeah,
I've seen you here before.
I grow stuff for you.
I've seen you once or twice. Let me let this soften a bit. Looking nice. So I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in here. Yum, yum. Saute that around. Bloom the garlic.
Bloom here.
So we're going to add the meat back in here. Meat!
Double, double.
And we have some chicken broth. We have a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies.
Yeah.
Yay! I have some diced tomato. I usually use cherry tomatoes, but I didn't have any, so I basically took regular tomatoes and I seeded them, and then I diced it. So I'm going to add a little fresh cracked black pepper. A little bit of salt. Salt to taste at the end because I have chicken broth in there. I'm going to add some chili powder. This is my favorite chili powder. Some cumin. Some granulated garlic. We're going to go ahead and stir this in. We're looking good.
Cumin makes it chili.
Yeah. You could season that any way you want. You can make it chili mac. You can make it French style.
Go store and get
Italian.
Go store and get your little chili seasoning in a packet, right? For tacos.
Don't do that.
For tacos. It tastes like sawdust.
We have some macaroni. So I'm going to bring this up to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer. It's going to cook maybe 15, 18 minutes. And halfway through, we're going to put the lid on. So I'm going to bring this up to a simmer, and halfway through, I'll be back. It's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on here and let it continue to cook, and we're going to be ready for dinner.
Yay.
Okay, so our chili mac is looking good.
Ooh.
Ooh, right?
Ooh.
It's looking amazing. So the Pix Pan did an amazing job. Look at this.
Mm.
That's a one-pan dinner right there. Make you a little salad, and you're good to go. Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want a nice bowl of this, boo?
Sure.
He's standing over it looking. His chops. Mm-hmm.
You can run, but you can't hide.
So the Pix Pan, it did a great job. Sauteed everything. The meat didn't stick. Nothing really stuck to it. The nonstick was great. It made this full-on pan of American goulash, chop suey, I think people call it, chili mac. Delicious.
I'll give you a spoiler alert. It tastes darn skippy.
It's hot. That's good.
Boy, howdy!
Boy, howdy! That's some good eats right there.
Mm-hmm.
One pan to the table. Thanks, Pix Pan. This is amazing. Pix Pan from USELUCK. I'll put links down in the description. Thank you for allowing us to try this out. This pan's amazing. It worked great. I think I'm going to be using this pan. This is my new one pan dinner pan. Links will be in the description. This is delicious. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.